In this video, I'll be showing you how to diagnose an engine noise in a 2006 Toyota Highlander. It's really simple to figure out this particular noise. It's a loud whining noise that can be heard inside the vehicle as well as under the hood. It's coming from the timing belt side of the engine, but it's not the timing belt, so stay tuned. 2006 Toyota Highlander alternator whine, same troubleshoot, crank the vehicle. Top of the motor is the press connector. Reach your hand there very carefully. Make sure not to get the plastic in there. Unplug it. Goes away, it means your alternator is whining and possibly needs replacing. Keep an eye on it. I know it was hard to hear while the engine was running, but I diagnosed this as an alternator noise. By unplugging the quick connect, little push to disconnect plug-in on the top of the alternator next to the power wire, it actually stops the noise. So you can diagnose your alternator whine or a whine under the engine by at least checking this first. Give it a shot, check it out. Swapping the alternator out will be my next video, so make sure you watch out for that one. Thanks for watching.